Hey everybody, this is the week in review and it's also day 250 of 100 Days of Cloud, Friday, March 12th, 2021. So I'd like to thank everyone for taking out the time of your day to watch this video. And with the week in review, I talk about the weekly progress that I made of the top 5 goals that I wanted to accomplish. And if you're watching this on YouTube or my blog, subscribe to the RSS feed for CarlaRJenkins.com and hit the subscribe and the bell icon if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're not, follow me on any of the social media at Carla R. Jenkins. So number one, as I mentioned, day 250 of Cloud. I started July 5th, 2020, and it's been a great 8 1/3 months later. I've accumulated over 6 cloud certifications. I've helped mentor people. I've attended 2 Microsoft Ignite Cloud Skill Challenges, finishing both of them. And just to be able to help people along the way, it matters so much to me. This is just like coming on to this, continuing the challenge. It matters because it shows the importance of staying current, acquiring new skills, expanding my network, and just how far I come. All I wanted to do was just stick with something 100 days and to be able to pass my Ohio Meets Jobs, Amazon Web Services certifications, and to be able to do 2 of them plus add 3 Azure and 1 Oracle Cloud was beyond my wildest dreams. I never thought that I would be in this position right now that I was when I first started. And be on the lookout for either a separate commemorative video regarding this or what I've learned from the process, because I always love paying it forward. But if you also need help managing your AWS, Azure, or Oracle hybrid cloud, multi-cloud, or any type of enterprise infrastructure and architecture, get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. Number 2 is my content, specifically my blog, getting recognized and featured for my article about completing my Microsoft Ignite Azure Data Scientist Cloud Skill Challenge. Like I said, I love paying it forward. And after 5.5 years now, going on 6 of CarlaRJenkins.com, just being able to get recognized by a link party or a major blog reshare site, it matters a lot to me. Remember, for all of my content, go to CarlaRJenkins.com. Number 3, receiving more interviews. So in a video that I did about resume tips, about periodically updating a resume either every month or every quarter, that really helped me secure more interviews. Also, I would like to thank Ohio Meets Jobs and DC Office of Employment Services Workforce Development Programs for giving me the cybersecurity and the cloud training to help a white-collar professional land cloud computing and data architecture interviews and getting to the next round. As I mentioned, I love being the poster child of workforce development for white-collar professionals. You oftentimes see the truckers, which is CDL license, plumbing, CNC machinists, welders, but what you don't see are ITIL, which is IT Infrastructure Library, which is also IT Service Management, people working on the help desk, the service desk, people who are doing cloud computing, cloud engineering, and for me to be able to show a face to that, that's very important. Number 4 is more introspection. If you've been following me this month, several of the training specialists that I started with, they moved on. I also learned more about how ahead of the curve I am and how high value of a skill set I possess, because my DC Office of Employment Services training specialist, left. She's moved on. And one of the ones that I started with, he's still working there. But just to be able to realize that these are government positions, these are private sector positions, they're trying to place me and other tech people who are making an exorbitant amount more money than they're making, just being able to show grace, to always help them through my writing weekly job status updates is very helpful to them. But also how much ahead of the curve I was when I got into Ohio Meets Jobs in 2019. I was talking about multi-cloud, which is learning more than one cloud computing language. Here I am, also the only person, and they call us customers, requesting Amazon Web Services cloud computing training. Everyone else were truckers, welders, doing nursing. Since I was in Cleveland, you have Cleveland Clinic and University hospitals, but nobody was talking about cloud computing. And just to come from 2019 to now, everyone's talking about uh, multi-cloud, more than just AWS, more than just Azure, and to be able to have those two plus Oracle, it matters a lot. And just being so far advanced, now I'm going into artificial intelligence, but remember, I have the math background for it. And that's something just like that didn't happen in the beginning of the week because I was down because I was sick, but just to become very introspective about how far ahead I am from like most people and how it has helped me. And then number 5 is I'm still going forward with cloud for my Azure administrative. I will keep you posted. Very happy to be here for day 250 of 100 Days of Cloud. I would like to thank each and every single one of you for supporting me throughout this endeavor. It matters a lot, especially since I'm a techie. And once again, check me out on carlarjenkins.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe and the bell icon to never miss a video in IT, cloud, and project management. If you're not watching either on my blog or YouTube, then follow me or connect with me at Carla R. Jenkins. I'll see everyone Monday for the week ahead. Have a wonderful day.